This is the kind of kit you can use. It's as cheap as $7 on Amazon. This is the slime kit. Of course, you want to use your puck. Mount it on a nice jack. Remove 21mm lug nuts. Locate the puncture. There it is. And here's actually what caused the puncture, small screw. First thing you want to do is use this little tool that comes with these kits that I'll share later to basically kind of route out the hole a little bit so it provides a nice grip. Next thing I do is I just take one of these little rubber strips here that comes with the kit and I thread them through this other little tool here. Looks like a little sewing needle. So it ends up looking just like so. Now I'm going to coat this with a rubber cement that comes with the kit. And this is the rubber cement here that we apply. I just don't have enough hands here, so I'm just going to apply it here. Just start like so. Start it into the hole, and then you got to push real hard. And after that, I'm going to turn off the camera because it takes 2 hands to do. So I just wipe off the extra cement that was on the surface of the tire, and then just per the instructions, you let it dry about 20-25 minutes. I just let it go 30 minutes to be a little longer. I just add air, and this is basically what we've ended up with. Next thing I'm going to do here, just because it was a subtle leak before, I'm just going to run a little water over it. And what that'll do is it will actually what I'm going to look for here is a little bit of air coming out of it. Which is actually the only way I found it, the puncture earlier, because it was so flush and kind of embedded in the tire. It's hard to find. It was actually only after I soaked the tire when I was able to see that the air bubbles emerging there. So it looks good. Checking pressure. Got it at 45, that's where I keep all my